Alright guys, so right now I have the engine. I'm about to put it, I'm gonna attempt to put it inside the truck. See how it goes. I had to put the AC bracket first because of the bolt. I wouldn't reach it. And what I've seen online, it does let me use this bracket. I don't have to get the relocation for the AC. So we're gonna see right now if it hits or not. And then I got the engine hoist, cherry picker, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna get it, we're gonna hook it up. I'm gonna see if I could do it without taking off the hood. I made it shorter so it wouldn't be that long. So I'm gonna try it right now. Alright, so one more amount is done. Alright guys, so I got the engine in the truck and I moved it up so I can slide in the trans. Here it is. I still haven't bolted nothing up, so we need to move it back and forth. But it's basically in already. I have it strapped down because it was tilting back, so it wouldn't put stress on the motor mounts. I strapped it down until I put the trans in, and they'll be able to hold it. So probably the next thing I'll be doing is putting the trans in, and my wire harness still hasn't got here. I ordered it last week Monday and it's Tuesday of this week, so it's been more than a week, but it should be here any day now. So after that, and I'm gonna have to do the fuel lines. That should be probably it. It's starting to rain, so probably do this tomorrow. Sheesh. Alright guys, so I got the trans in. I don't know if you can see it. I got the trans in, bolted up to the stock trans cross member, so I got that. ¿Qué onda, mis plebes? Que andamos con Static Israel. Back at it again with the OBS. And today we're gonna hopefully try to get the fuel lines done and start on the wire harness. Already got the fuel pump done. There's a fitting that goes right there. They didn't have the smaller one, so gotta wait till Monday.
Nigga, we better make this shit chop, nigga.
You gonna make this shit chop. This is how it's gonna move, bruh. Sneal. Oh, shit. No te huele la cara. Brand new engine, 0 miles.
Guys, don't pin your pulleys.
Shut up, it's that over spray. Cállese.
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't know what we're doing, but we're gonna get something done.
We fixing to do the whole fuel system, guys, and put in hopefully the wiring, and hopefully get the wiring for the instrument cluster. So yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Aquí andamos con Static Dad.
Bruh.
Swinging it at the pit. You gonna swing this shit right now. Alright, so right here, we're gonna have to cut it. Su puta madre, me la quebrar. You gotta cut it with that special tool. And then this has a little brass fitting inside where you just tighten it up and it clamps onto the line. That's what makes it seal. And these are the fittings we got for it. I got the other ones somewhere around here.
Inside the bag over there.
It's my dad over there. Hey, Static Dad! Static Dad in the cut. So we'll show y'all when it's done with this. Alright guys, so they probably saw me the wrong fittings, but the brass piece that's in there, I don't know if you guys see it. It's a brass fitting that goes in there. It didn't go on the, it didn't fit on the actual line, so that's wrong. So I'm gonna return this one and go back, probably get a different fitting. But for now, we're gonna start on doing the fittings for the Corvette filter. The ones that go on this side and the ones that go on the engine. And after that, we'll do the one that goes on the fuel rail right there. That's how you cut it with?
This is how I cut it.
Alright guys, so that's one way to cut it. Another way is you can use a grinder. Pues su puta madre. Pedro González. So,
Which color you want to put? Black one or this one?
where's this that one go?
Huh?
That one goes on the filter?
Yeah.
The black one. So yeah, I'll show y'all when I get some of this done.
We got Static Agua right here. Putting that work. Got the fuel lines done. We're just gonna have to wait for these back ones right here, because they gave us the wrong ones. Show you guys at the bottom.
You need a light?
I got my phone. It's the one that goes up to the engine. See right there. And this is the filter. Yeah. Bolt it on there very good. Bolt it there. So it should come off. So right now we're probably gonna start putting in the wire harness.
Alright guys, so we got the radiator mounted. On the stock radiator from this truck, it has two little tabs in the bottom of each corner, and we just drilled some holes so it can sit all the way down. And then right here we made some like custom mounting brackets right there and right there. That's how it looks on this side. And then stock hoses work. Right now we're just trimming the bottom plastic because it was sitting right there, a little metal guard. So we're gonna check that now if it fits now. Almost. You probably gotta cut more. And on this side. Just a little bit more, right? Yeah. Let's trim it up a little bit more and then see what happens. Right here, I got most of the wire, all the wires plugged in. Got the starter on, the bolts for the torque converter. Eventually I'll get a new one, but for now we'll just go with that. And right here is not permanent. I'm just trying to get it to start. I'm probably gonna make a hole on that side and put this inside this in the fuse block, and then stuff like that. I got like this wire, it doesn't plug in. It has, I don't know, trying to figure that out. So all in all, I got it to crank. This I plugged into that pink wire. It's the ignition. So my fuel on the fuel pump, I just put right now clamps because the other fittings that I got, the little brass, the brass fitting, it was too small and it wouldn't fit. So I probably got the wrong one, or it was messed up, but they didn't fit. So that's what I'm doing for now, just to check, see if it turns on. I'll probably get it turned on in a little bit, get the headers on. I know I'm gonna have to massage them a little bit here and there. We're gonna have to cut something, but we're gonna make them work. And then all them wires, I'm gonna trim up the harness that it came with, because some of the wires are like the ones for the wipers, the headlights are plugged into it. So I'll do that after I get it running. And then again, so right now I'm gonna be probably putting on the headers. Alright, so I got the headers on. I did have to cut this lip on that side that I have right there because it was hidden, and then I hit the header with the hammer. I tapped it a couple times, so it cleared that. And then on this side, I didn't have no problems mounting it. It's a little bit close right there where the control arm bolts up, but it clears it. So I just put those on. I'm gonna take them off again because I have to put the gasket, but I was just checking the fitment, so that's good. And then now I'm gonna check how I'm gonna do the shift link and bolt it up to the transmission, see how I'm gonna do that. And then Alright guys, so this is probably gonna be it for this video. I was messing with the shifter. I probably gonna have to adjust a little bit more, but I bolted it up. It did bolt up. I just had to move some things around. So it's probably gonna be it for this video. Next video I should be having it running. So thank you guys for watching. Catch y'all on the next. Peace.